Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to build a DIY infrared stove, repurposing key components from a broken speaker, such as the voice coil and magnet. This is a unique and creative project. Join me as we explore the entire building process from start to finish. First, we will disassemble the speaker unit and utilize the magnet to generate the electromagnetic field, which will serve as the primary heat source for our infrared stove. Subsequently, we will join the two magnets together and wind copper wire around them to create the induction heating coil. Following that, we will proceed to connect the newly created coil to the electrolytic capacitor. Now, we will proceed to wire the electrical connections and install the plug to supply power to the infrared stove. Following that, we will integrate smaller sections of copper tubing into the unit to enhance the thermal conductivity or to improve heat transfer efficiency. finally, we will install the speaker's magnetic pull plate to serve as the final thermal conduction surface, which will also function as the cooking surface of our DIY infrared stove. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.